Okay, so in this quick video lesson we're going to learn how to play the chords to Sweet Home Alabama. It's 3 chords, D, C and G. So let's start off with the D chord first. So to play the D chord, what you want to do is take your index finger and third finger and place them on the 2nd fret. So the 2nd fret, that's the first, that's the 2nd. And what you want to do is put them on the 1, 2, 3, the 4th string down from the top, and then miss out a string, and then play, put it on the 6th string, like that. So you've got a gap in between. Then with this 4th finger, you put that on the 3rd fret on the B string, so the second string up from the bottom. Now when you play a D chord, what you want to try and do is only play the bottom 4 strings. So that's, you can see that on the video, that one. So that's a D chord. So the way I remember this is when you look at it, it sort of looks like a triangle. So we've got index finger, 3rd finger, and then the 4th finger just pushes out a little bit. Okay, so that's D chord, and then we're going to go to C. Now here what we do is we take, from the D chord, we take our index finger down to the 1st fret B string, that's this one. Then we take our 3rd finger, goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then the 4th finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string. That way so you can see it. And when you're playing the C, try and avoid playing the bottom E string. Otherwise you get this kind of sound. We only want that one because that's the C. Okay, and then from there we go to G. Now this one can be a little bit of a jump. So you're going to take your index finger, is going to jump over to the A string, so that's the 2nd string down from the top, 2nd fret. 3rd finger goes on the 3rd fret 1st string, like the low E, and then the 4th finger jumps down onto the 3rd fret on the E string. As you can see. Now let's put those 3 chords together very slowly. So we've got D, and when you do the D, make sure, as I just did there, make sure you only play the bottom 4 strings. Then we go to C. Okay, now let's try and put that together into a little bit more of an interesting guitar pattern. So the actual guitar part is actually pretty funky. There's a little bit more rhythm going on. So I'll play it and then we'll break it down. So it sort of goes like this. Let's break that down into steps. So the rhythm for the first chord is 1 and 2. So that's 2 quavers and a crotchet, or 2 8ths and a quarter note. So it's just 1 and. You slightly accent the quarter note. 1 and 2. Then you take that same rhythm and you go down to C, and then down to the G. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. if you struggle with that more sort of syncopated way of playing, you could just simplify it even further and just try and play them on the beat. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then G, and then back to D. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and go do some practice.